Hello guys, today I am going to discuss regarding blocked commercial kitchen drain
पानी
lines.
अब तेजी से जा रहा है।
These type of situation basically faced in commercial kitchens where use of oil is huge for the preparation of food. When this oil mix with water, it creates emulsion. It's a very thick in nature. When it goes down the drain, it blocks your drain and it's very tough to clean those lines. In that situation you used to clean those lines with electromechanical machines. These machines are having steel cables with along with auger heads. It's have different type of augers.
ये क्या है?
One of the
रोको रोको रोको।
particular type of auger is C cutter that can easily cut down whole grease present inside the drain lines. Here you can see when the steel cable insert inside the drain line, it's
पूरा
removing grime. The black grime is coming out of the drain.
धीरे कटेगा उससे पूरा।
Here you can see
आराम से चलाओ तो स्केलिंग कट जाएगी पूरी। देखो निकल रहा है।
machine is running, cable is moving in clockwise direction. From another end we are using hydrojet pressure. This system allow us to clean drain line more smoothly. It's very tough to clean those lines. Machine is running. Our team is trying to clean those lines. Now we are getting polythenes comes out the drain. You can easily see. These are one of the factors that's also choke drain lines. Huge polythene
प्लास्टिक
bags.
है ना प्लास्टिक।
Different auger. Oh, once again another polythene bags coming out of the drain.
क्या है क्या है?
Please try to avoid
ग्लव्स पन्नी है।
these polythenes goes down the drain. Now you can see our cable. It's approx 50 feet distance from that insertion point, coming into the soft line. It's these cables are
कट के आ रहा है।
comes up to the shaft line. You can also see the huge small amount of
उतना है ना देखो
grease coming along with the pipe. Now water is running very smoothly, very smoothly. The flow rate is enough to clean the to make pipe water comes out. Usually here you can see quantity of water is used, and here once again you can see our team inserts the cable from one of the trap and it comes out another trap. Here you have seen that is C cutter that is cleaning very perfectly any type of drain line, basically greased drain lines.
इधर जा रही हो?
All the outlet drain lines cleaned properly with the help of these augers. These lines are having heavy grease deposits inside the drain, and the 4-inch drain line becomes more than half-inch less. Cable is going inside the drain and making way for the water to come out. Whatever the P traps present inside the drain, it comes out from that point. There is nothing matter of concern. It will not cross that traps. These kitchen drain lines cleans with the help of these steel cables and hydrojet. Now cable is going smoothly inside the drain. It's having long-term deposit, fat organic deposits inside the drain. And most of the kitchen drain lines we have to insert 20 feet drain pipes. Here you can see cable is inserted from one of the point. Grime is coming from another end. Here I am showing this to you. Line is running. Now you can see the line is open now. Earlier it's blocked and water is coming in huge quantity along with the grease. In just a few seconds cable auger will come out. You can see this easily. Look at the way we are waiting for this. Team is trying hard to clean. Oh, now you can see auger is comes out by cleaning.